Hi, I'm Scott Jones with the Office of Assessment and Accreditation. If you're watching this video, I assume that you'll be assisting us with card scanning for student IDs during this year's Nav1gate. Just briefly, this will be a 2 or 3 minute video to tell you the things that you'll need to know in order to be able to scan the cards. There'll be 16 scanners at Fleming Gym on August 13th, 8 scanners in the upper level, 8 scanners at the lower level. Each volunteer will have their own laptop card reader assigned to them. Each laptop will be pointing to a unique Google document. Your job will be to take that card reader and that laptop and scan student IDs as they enter Fleming Gym. There'll be 4 tables at the lower level and 4 tables at the upper level, by the way. So there'll be 2 laptops per table. You'll have a partner for a table. Essentially, what you'll be doing is, as the students enter, you'll be taking your card reader and laptop. Here's the card reader. Notice there's a green light on this one here on one side. To scan successfully, you need to take the card with the face side on the same side as the green light. So in other words, you need to scan it like this. If you scan, notice behind me, this laptop that I've got the card reader connected to is capturing the data. And you can scan the cards in either direction, and it'll capture the data regardless of which way you scan it. Just make sure that you've got the card face on the same side as the green light. It won't capture it if you flip it this way. It's got to be this way. And I would recommend that you kind of watch the screen as you're scanning as well, so that way you'll know that you're successfully scanning the card. I've kind of told you all this stuff. Basically, it's more than you probably need to know. The reason is all the laptops will already be booted up, pointing to the correct Google document, and have the card readers attached. Essentially, all you'll need to do is just show up and start scanning cards. But I wanted to give you a little of the background. In addition, though, there'll be members of my staff that are on site at both levels. In case you do run into something, there'll be someone that knows a little bit more about how to get into the laptop, the Google documents, and that sort of thing. That's basically all there is to it. You just simply need to show up and be ready to scan. If you do have any questions, though, you can reach me at wsjones2@uncg.edu. Just shoot me an email and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, I'll see you on the morning of August 13th. Thanks.